National Safety Day. The National Safety Day is celebrated on 4th March to commemorate the foundation of the National Safety Council to raise awareness about the safety measures to prevent mishaps and accidents due to lack of awareness. The campaign is aimed at renewing the commitment of employees and the general public to work safely throughout the year. The ultimate objective of the campaign is to ensure integration of OSH in work culture and lifestyle. Objectives: ensure that safety and health are integrated in work culture and lifestyle. Renew the commitment of the employees towards safety and health at workplace. Achieve greater participation of the employees in OSH activities. History of National Safety Council of India. The Ministry of Labour, Government of India set up the National Safety Council of India on 4th March 1966 to develop and sustain the movement of SHE, that is focusing on safety, health and environment at the national level. Basically, NSC is an autonomous body. Therefore, the foundation day of the National Safety Council was decided to observe as National Safety Day in 1972. It was also decided to celebrate it as National Safety Week campaign that will last for 1 week. The day is observed both by the central government and state governments across the length and breadth of the country. The first National Safety Day was celebrated in the year 1972 after the establishment of the National Safety Council. National Safety Day 2021 theme. The idea of commemorating the foundation day of the Council, 4th March, and the first National Safety Day campaign was launched in 1972 and has since been organized every year. The campaign, now entering its 49th year, has grown into a major national campaign widely celebrated by industry, trade unions, government departments, regulatory agencies, NGOs and institutions with the active support of the central and state governments and the media. It has made impact on the industrial scenario at the national level by contributing to increased safety awareness and reduction in accidents. The commemoration of National Safety Day is based on the theme every year. Hence, the theme for National Safety Day 2021 is Sadak Suraksha, or road safety. The vision of the National Safety Council is to serve society by creating a protective culture, scientific mindset and comprehensive approach towards the SHE issues. It is a common belief that these issues are generous concerns and an efficient redressal can be done if their inherent relationship with quality and productivity is carefully illustrated.